Hey guys, so right now I'm testing out my house unit. This unit, it's 8,000 BTU, and I'm running on my it goes 3000 battery. So right now it's 91 degrees inside my camper, and it seems like it's cooling. It's blowing cold air, and I have the temperature at 16 on cool, so it's blowing cold air. I have the hose, the tube going out. So let's see how long it's gonna take to cool off. And I got my lights right here. So let me turn off the lights and see how dark it gets in here. Yeah, got dark. The only light is going is through where the vent. That's it, but it gets pretty dark. These lights are pretty cool, straight from Amazon. Hey guys, so it's been 10 minutes and I went from 91 to 88 degrees. And you know what? It feels nice and cool inside here. Wow, I'm impressed. So after 10 minutes, 88. So that's how much power is taken right now. I'm getting 170 watts right now of solar, and it's taking 897. So it's telling me right now it's only going to run for 2 hours. But I got this other battery here, but I'm testing it out because it's hot right now, but it's cooling off. So maybe it might drop the amps later. Well, it's blowing out the hot air from the vent. Testing out this AC. Hey guys, so after 2 hours running my AC on my 3000 go zero, it turned off 2 hours. So I switched it over to my 1500 and right now it's only throwing out 146 watts, but it's nice and cool in here. The temperatures dropped to 79 degrees, but actually I had this outside, so it dropped to 74 degrees. But I had this because my outdoor one, for some reason, it's not linking, so I had it outside to see playing it. I couldn't make it to work to sync in with this one. So I'm kind of bummed out. I think I'm gonna have to order a new remote for outside. But anyways, this one ran for 2 hours on the 3. Right now it's 1%, and it's getting 57. So now I'm running this one, and it's saying it's gonna run for 9 hours until it's empty, because it's only doing 146 watts. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna let it run and see what happens after 2 hours. So this is the beginning, and it's 3 p.m. No, 3:10 p.m. right now. Not bad. All right, guys. So I finally reset. It's actually taking over 800 watts of output, and it's only giving me an hour and a half. So same thing. This thing is only gonna last me another 2 hours, man. So with these two batteries, this AC is only gonna give me between 3.5 to 4 hours of sleep. Of AC. But it's taking, 800 watts. And remember, this is an 8,000 BTU. So if I get a smaller unit, that it's only 5,000, I can run more hours, longer. But this is the test, and it's nice and cool in here. But technically, I can run this at nighttime, let it run for a few hours to cool off when it's super, super hot in the evening at nighttime. Or I can run it through my gas generator all night long. But the main thing is that, wow, there's thunders outside. That's crazy. And it's not even raining. Wow. That was crazy. Anyways, I can buy I have 3 batteries. So technically I can run 6 hours, but I'm going to be draining my batteries. And the next morning, I just charge them up again with my solar panels. On top, I have 420 watts. And on the floor, mobile solars, I have over 600 watts. So, yeah, not bad. All right, guys, until the next one.